So I promised that I would be live streaming every single day for the next 30 days. Well, this is week 1, and I almost let the night end, but that's okay. We're gonna end the night and start the week off on a good note. So one of the things that I find a lot with my weight loss clients, as well as my personal success coaching clients, is that sleep is a really big issue. Sleep is disruptive sleep, the lack of, otherwise known as insomnia, can often be a contributor to difficulty with losing weight, changes and variations in appetite, as well as excessive weight gain or abnormal weight gain. I talk to so many women who are sleep deprived. They have trouble falling asleep. Some have trouble staying asleep, and some have trouble with both. One of the big issues with that and what happens during that is that they tend to have a lot of racing thoughts, tend to have a lot of thoughts of even work-related thoughts, things that didn't get completed, things that have to get done, unmanageable agendas, all types of things. And so it's really something that we don't often think about, which is how big of an impact sleep or the lack thereof can have on ourselves, on our health and our general well-being. One of the things that I also find is that a lot of times women, perhaps men too, but for the context of this, most of the time I'm seeing women have difficulty separating and working through emotional difficulties, emotional distress, and emotional disturbances. And because of that, those kinds of things can spill over into poor sleep as well. Now, there are a number of things, and you'll hear me speak on sleep again. If this is you, if this resonates with anyone, is to don't take negativity to bed with you. Negative thoughts, things that have triggered you, things that have caused you to think, cause you to question yourself, your value, your worth, things that have caused you to be upset, angry, sad, disappointed, depressed, frustrated, and things that will go. But you really have to learn how to temper through those, and most importantly, do not take those things to bed with you. The reason is that when we take those things to bed with us, they actually are like seeds that are being planted, negative seeds. And because our brains program, reprogram, and repair overnight, when we take those negative thoughts or subconscious space, then we run the risk of those seeds actually multiplying. So I encourage you to be really careful and mindful and responsible for your sleep quality. If you're having issues with sleeping, there may be something that you may not be able to fix on your own. It may be something that you need the help of a specialist. Even if you see your primary care doctor and they're not able to give you some solutions or some testing or help you to figure out what may be going on with your sleep, continue to reach out, ask for referrals, and you can always reach out to me as well at Dr. Jada. The email address is drjada@drjadamd. Again, that's drjada@drjadamd. So as you can see, I had some negative things and thoughts that were going through my mind that I had to also deal with before I wrap it up for the night. So you see me now doing, which is coloring in my mandala. I have my planner, so I can unload some other thoughts and things that I have to remember to do. Start to brain dump that stuff. It actually gives me a better. So I hope this was helpful to you. Happy Sunday and for a wonderful week.